Hi.
You're all grown up.
Why don't you guys hug?
Katie, hug Emily. Katie, hug Emily.
Aren't you guys gonna hug each other?
Oh my god, I didn't even recognize.
Pat, hug
Hey.
the girls.
Hey guys.
Hi.
Not all three at the same time? How's it going? Hey Paula.
Hello.
How you doing? Good. Nice to see you.
You girls look different on Facebook.
Emily, I
Hi.
cannot believe you. You're so beautiful.
Thank you.
Katie's quiet.
Leah's actually quiet for the first time ever.
Yeah, not for long, huh?
Okay.
Where's your mama?
Inside.
Oh.
She's on the phone.
Get her out.
Let me get her.
Couple years.
Pocahontas too. And trying it on all of your
That's pretty funny.
That was. We're gonna do till then.
Hey! I want a picture because I didn't even.
Okay.
Okay.
Girls, say hi down here.
Who is?
Guess who's who?
This is Tiffany.
Hey, dude.
Hey.
Oh, it's so good to see
Good
you.
to see you, man.
You're never
Don't take
It's
me.
video.
I don't want a video.
You're never home when we
Okay,
come to
who is
visit.
number one? You. Okay, I don't bite. Yeah. How are you?
Katie, go up there.
And how old are you?
9.
No, that's very old. Dude. Oh, Imelda, right? You don't know what Imelda is, but I'll give you 101. Hi, baby. Hi. Let me see. Oh my God, you are so pretty.
Thank you.
Everybody
She grew up.
Who changed most?
Leah?
Yeah. Do you know who Imelda is? Imelda was one lady who has, right? Still, is she still around? We don't know.
I don't know. Is she
Lot
dead?
of shoes.
She's still around.
A lot of shoes. I heard that you like shoes. Me too. Connection. Where are we? 200? Alrighty, I have a lot of high sparkly heels. Okay, this is enough. What's wrong with you? Alright, forget it. And I'm thinking, she's so different. I swear, and I'm going through my relatives and thinking, okay, I'm old, so now
Katie says you suck.
I suck.
Didn't even know
But
me.
look at them.
Yeah, they're pretty close.
Don't they?
And I swear to God, I'm looking at her, she looks so much different than what I remember.
No, because you first came down, you go. Can I blink?
Robert, can you come here for a second? Oh my gosh! What are you guys doing here? What?
Surprise, surprise, surprise!
Hey! Oh my gosh! How are you guys? Oh my gosh! Hey! This is why we're all cleaning this morning. Well, I'm cleaning. How are you? Hey!
Uncle Robert.
Hey, Emily!
Kids you have?
Yes, yes. Uncle Patrick! Oh my gosh, it's you! How are you doing?
Good, good.
Jessica looks so much different.
Oh my gosh! I didn't know
Does
you.
Leah look the same?
Yeah.
What about Katie?
Did you know they were coming?
Katie looks different.
She looks so much darker.
Who does?
A
Katie!
lot darker.
Really?
Well, she's the
she's
tan
just-
one.
She was always tan.
Yeah.
Okay, what about?
Oh my gosh, what?
Where's Tracy?
We got here last night.
Right now.
Carter.
So how long are you here for?
We're leaving a week.
Did you bring your swimming trunks?
The kids did.
Good.
Kids are ready.
Did you know they were coming?
All around, yeah. Keep going. Yeah, you just now go surprise.
Surprise!
You go outside. You go outside. This is the real thing. So,
He needs to put his shoes on.
yeah.
Who?
Philip.
So he hasn't seen the whole thing.
No.
No, he saw people walking up and then he ran.
Oh.
You know Philip.
Yeah.
Like your shoes. Oh, that's better?
Much.
Really?
Dress now.
Take a pillow.
Come say hello, love.
Oh, Mom's just like, go, go. What?
Katie, this is your Katie.
Guys, you're so tall.
Katie.
How do you get so tall?
Huh? How did you get so tall? He's not even saying.
Go give Katie. Carter, give Katie a hug. She's your cousin.
Katie.
Katie, did you hug your Aunt Lynn?
Katie, how old are you? 12. Okay, so you're about Carter's age. So you're about his age too.
Take a picture.
Okay,
Take a picture of
so
video.
wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold on. Hold on a second.
Katie doesn't look as dark right now.
Here's the real Katie. The real Katie.
Are you friends?
Who's this?
Yeah, it's so dark. Like you're not getting.
She came with you?
Oh, no, we got her naked. She's Tim and Linda's niece.
Like you guys adopted?
good?
What's going on?
Bought a girl
Yeah.
Weird.
Well,
I've heard about
I saw
child
Katie. You were like, that's the Katie I know. She looks so different
Wait,
than
what
the
is
rest of
it?
Whenever you guys like ran back, we like switched.
Well, close the screen so we.
I was gonna say, like, you're like,
That was
don't
good, huh?
look like them. Okay. Sweetie. Guys, I know I missed you guys too. You guys are so big. Gosh. It's like everyone gets old.
Did you know they were gonna be here?
What?
You told her?
Did I order or did I not order? That's your food, I think.
I love you. Katie, what did you get?
I got an American taco.
Oh, an American taco?
Oh, I don't want to pronounce it in Spanish.
Baja?
I don't know the rest of it.
Baja? I'm gonna get a knife. And why are you filming? Because it's like a reinvitation.
I got it.
AM. Let's go. Kate just went to the bathroom. That's why there's an empty seat. Why are you still filming? Yeah, we're babysitting. I love how our I know this Oh. What'd you get again? You're trying to make her say it. She's trying to get her to combo. It's a combo? Like conversate?
Hey, I like your top. It's really cute.
Look at all your tops. Doesn't she look so different from last time we saw her? Y'all are like so much bigger. I know, right? Like even like her looks and everything. Like she's so much darker. You look a lot like Jessica. She doesn't have braces. You look a lot like more like Jessica now. Looks like a mini Rebecca. Leah? Yeah. What does Katie look like? Wait, where'd Katie go? Katie, come back.
First, went to the restroom.
Again?
Stop sitting at the end of the table.
What's up with her peeing? I know, right?
So, how have you been? How's school? Getting good grades? Better. If you don't, I'll come find you.
Leah, you're too cute.
Katie's everything good?
What? He's just watching out for his girls. Sorry.
Tracy, Katie has braces.
What is up with everyone going to the bathroom? Yeah. Wait, she does?
I thought this.
That's weird.
Oh, she did?
Go say that Rebecca needs you in the bathroom. And then she'll come in here, right?
Why?
Because then she'll come in here and see her.
No, but they need to switch one more time.
Yeah, which she'll go back right now.
No, go.
No, because they want to see it. They want to see it. You go, Kate.
What do I do?
Tracy. I'm trying to eat. Sorry. My food. Kitty. Leah. Carter. Rebecca. Let's go, guys. Emily's still in the bathroom.
She okay?
I don't know. I kind of left. No, because she was like, just go back. I was like, okay. So I'm just gonna watch it come out on conversation. I've had the gun for like 2 weeks and I've already wasted half of it. Did you guys switch your shirts back? No, they did. Oh, they did?